here is what you should do when you start playing Animal Company for the first time. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go over to here, and here you need to go to weapons and grab the stick. It's completely free, so you shouldn't mind. Now that you grab the stick, you need to go over here and avoid stepping on that landmine. And now go to the mines. Go to the copper mines. And now you need to mine some copper. So now when you mine it, you'll find like this crystal, so you need to grab it. And also to drop things, if you want to drop what's in your right hand, you need to press the B button on your the A button on your controller. And if you want to drop things in your left hand, you need to press the X button on your controller. So now you want to come here, and after you grabbed one crystal, and now you need to drop it inside of this machine, and now press every button. And now the machine should close. Now it will open, and you earned money, 32 coins. So now you can see on your watch how much coins you have. And once you get a lot of coins, you should buy a backpack from here. And to use the backpack, what you need to do once you got the backpack, to put it on your back, you just want to pull your arm over to your back and drop it, and then it should be on your back. But to actually use it, you need to go over to the copper mines or wherever, and now you're gonna want to grab it from your back and open it using the B button if it's on your right hand, and or the Y button if it's on your left hand. And now you need to drop it, and now you get your copper, put it above the backpack and drop it. Now do that with every copper. And you want to get your crystals and put them inside of the backpack. And now you want to grab it and close it. And now you need to go back. Go back to that machine where you earn the coins. And now you may probably think that you need to drop your backpack inside of the machine, but no. You need to open your backpack. Remember how to do that? You need to open it. And now just shake it like this, and everything you put inside it should drop. Now you're gonna drop it again, put it on your back, and now press every button. And now you will earn a lot more coins. And yeah, that's basically how to start Animal Company. Hope you enjoyed.